Hey, what is up? This is Tyler Pratt. So if you are in a job, it sucks, it's just dragging you down, and you want to quit and you want to go full-time as an affiliate marketer, and you want to do it like a total boss, well, we're going to do that right here on this video. So right now you might be in a job and you just hate it. You hate your boss, you hate just going to work, you hate driving, getting stuck in traffic, and you just want to get out of that. And you want to be able to go full time. You've seen the lifestyle, you've heard all the great stories of people having, that total boss lifestyle, and you want to get in there and you want to get some of that action going for yourself. So I want to just cover a few things for you to help you along that journey to where you can get rid of that job and get into affiliate marketing on a full-time basis. But before we do that though, hit that subscribe button, hit that bell, that way you get notified of all of the videos that I come out with to you on a daily basis. So to live that total boss lifestyle, you want to be able to be free. You want to be able to do the fun things that you want in life. But it requires you to support yourself and your family if you have a family. You need to support yourself with income. You have to have income. The electric company, they take income. They don't take Facebook likes, and they don't take YouTube subscribers, okay? They take cash. They take money in your account. So if you're in a job right now and you're frustrated and you're just trying to get out of it, first of all, make sure that you understand that use that frustration and those struggles in your favor. Okay, you want to be able to get to a point where it's so painful for you to be away from your family and get in your car and do all the driving and get stuck in driving and just all that frustration. First of all, you want to use that in your favor, because it's going to take you some time to, as you get done with work and you come home and you work on your affiliate promotions, it's going to take a little time for that stuff to kick in. You can't just all of a sudden day one just go, you know what, I decide I'm going to quit my job and then I'm going to go full time. You need income coming in. You need to be able to support yourself, and you need to be able to pay the bills, just the minimum bills here. But understand this is when you got 24 hours in a day. Everybody has 24 hours, okay? We all have 24 hours in a day. You should be sleeping anywhere from 6 to 7 hours. And anything more than that is just going to be too much. If you go to work at 9 o'clock in the morning and then you get done at 5, that means that you have before 9 o'clock to get stuff done. So you get up early at 5 and you work until 9. You go to work, and then at 5 you come home and you go to work on your affiliate promotions. This is the schedule you have to do, and it may take you 6 months to a year. But when you're in this time, so if you get up at 5 o'clock in the morning and you have 9 o'clock to go to work, you have to be doing income producing activities. You can't be getting on at 5 and just learning stuff. You got to get on there and start taking action. So if you're creating a YouTube channel, you got to get up at 5, create your video, go to work, come home at night, promote your videos or promote your products. So in the morning, if you're going to create a Facebook fan page, then you create content to do that in the morning, and then when you come home at night, you start working on promoting your landing pages and get people onto your list. And you have to do this, and you got to set up a schedule, and you got to get disciplined on it. If you're not disciplined to do this, you're gonna stay in your frustration. And I don't want you to be frustrated. I want you to get out of that job that you're in. I want you to get out of going to dead-end jobs. We shouldn't be living in this world where we have to go and work for somebody else and build their dreams. You want to build your dreams, but it's going to take discipline. It's going to take sacrifice in order to get to that point. Now, when you're ready and you have a list going, and you have a list that's promoting products, and you're able to generate income coming in on a monthly basis that's consistent, that's when you got to sit down and say, okay, I'm ready to finally quit this job. But you can't do it until you get to that point. You can't just one day say, I'm quitting my job and I'm going full-time internet marketing. You will absolutely go crazy. Your mind will it'll go nuts, because you'll get so frustrated by the lack of income coming in. What are you going to do to support yourself? What are you going to do to support your family? All of this. So, but use it for your benefit. It's so important that you do that. Every day you get up, or at night you do those income activities. You create videos, you write blog posts, you post on Facebook. Okay, you do those activities when you're not at your job. But while you're at your job, I want you to start using the time that you're there to start thinking about your business, or thinking about what it is that you're going to be doing. So when you get home, you're going to say, okay, this is what I'm going to work on when I get home. I'm going to work on adding new content to my blog. I'm going to adding new ads to my Facebook account. I'm going to create some new ads for YouTube ads. Whatever you're into that you're generating income, or you're generating traffic to your lead capture page, you got to do those when you're, when you're on your off time of work. But during work, think about what you're going to be doing, because it's going to fuel you to keep going. It's going to fuel you to keep going at it, because you're going to need that fuel. You're going to need that excitement to keep you going, because when you get done with work, you're going to be tired, you're going to be frustrated, and you might want to just lay around and watch TV. And that's going to be the worst thing you can do. You got to sacrifice and really get into it. And what you should be doing at the beginning is setting goals for yourself. 6 months, a year down the road, write it down exactly what you want. Write down exactly what it is that you want in your life. So for me, in the mornings, what I like to do every day, I'll write down exactly what I want. There's just a few things that I like, that I want, and I'll write them down every day. This is what I want. This is how, this is the type of house that I want, or this is the type of car that I want, or this is the type of vacation that I want to take this year. I just keep writing that down over and over and over again, and keep focusing on that. And what it does is it keeps driving me. It keeps having me push forward to create videos and create blog posts and create Facebook content and run ads and all that good stuff. But until you get to that point where things are starting to generate income for you, you have to keep that income going. You got to be able to support yourself. And you got to, it's going to suck. I know it's, and you're going to be there and you're going to be frustrated. I want to get out of here. I don't like this boss, whatever. Use it as fuel so one day you can get out of there. Because most people, what they do is they just get up in the morning, they go to work at 9, they come home at 5, they sit around and watch TV all day, and then maybe they get on Facebook and they complain about not making any money, or they complain about things aren't working out for them. And it's easier to complain, but it's a lot harder to spend the time in the morning getting up early and doing those things. But once you can dump that 9 to 5 and you can spend the whole day working on your business, that's when life starts to work well for you. For me, I get up early, but I could sleep until 10 if I wanted to. But I still have my daily things that I work on. I still have my business I work on. I still have my job that I work on, but it's a job that I love doing. And if you're working for somebody else's dream, it's going to be frustrating, but use it as fuel to help you succeed. Now, what do? You just make sure that you use the time that you're not at your job to build your business, build your affiliate business, build your business online. And once that starts to take off and you start to generate income, then you can walk into your boss office and tell him, you know what, I'm done with this job, and you're fired. See, for me, I had a job before I got into affiliate marketing. I had a job, but I got fired before I got into affiliate marketing. And to go back, all those years to look at it, I got fired from a job, and I just, I was like, screw this. I'm not going to work for somebody else again. I'm going to figure this out. But it was tough. It was hard because I didn't have any income coming in. So I was always frustrated. So what I would have done differently all those years ago, I would have just gotten some other job just to get income going. And I would have spent the time when I was not working affiliate marketing there. And it would have sped up my success. My success dragged out for a while because I was trying to generate income and I was trying to do affiliate marketing. And when you need to pay bills and you don't see any results coming in with your affiliate marketing, it gets tough and it gets hard, and you have to, you don't want to be in that position. So make sure you're keeping that job, and then once you get your affiliate marketing up and running, you can quit that job and you'll be good to go. Hey, if you like this video, click on the like button. Also share it with your friends. Comment below, let me know how I can help your business. This is Tyler Pratt. Hope you enjoyed that, and we will see you on the next one.